Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore a simple but useful feature in Firefox Nightly on mobile that allows you to take screenshots even while browsing in private mode. If you have ever tried to capture something in private, first, open the Firefox Nightly browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three-dot menu icon. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, scroll down to find the Private Browsing section. Next, tap on Private Browsing to open the options. Look for the option that says Allow Screenshots in Private Browsing. Then, simply turn on this feature by toggling the switch to the on position. Finally, you can now take screenshots freely while in private browsing mode without any restrictions. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.